Hello guys, my name's Esmerant and this is my unboxing of the Shure MV7 podcast microphone. Now the reason I got a new microphone was because one, my ice microphone packed up. I didn't understand why. I tried on everyone's laptop, my desktop and everything, and it wouldn't work. I've got it I got it insured, changed over, and I got myself one of them. For reason being, one, I heard it was good reviews. Two, it's compatible for everything. So it's podcasting, talk, like podcast, gaming, and so forth. So it'll be easy to hopefully hear my voice clearly, and so forth, with no distortion or anything like that. So I'm hoping this will do the trick. Take your sound to the next level. MV7. Turn it over again. It has MV7 podcasting for podcasting, home recording, gaming, USB and XLR output. It has voice installation technology, audio level mode, live stream ready, custom sound signature, real-time headphone monitoring, touch panel control and mic stand compatibility, which is sold separately. So yeah, I'm hoping this is okay. Yeah, let's unbox it and see what's inside. So guys, I'm just going to do an unboxing for you, get it done. Sorry about the quality on the phone. It's a Galaxy Note 20, so hopefully it'll be alright. So let's open this up. Welcome to better sound. Okie dokie. Oh, that way. Right, so in here we have for ultimate control, download the free Share Plus Motive desktop app from share.com Motive desktop. So you get one of them. You've got the quick start guide. We'll be looking through that. And here's the baby itself. Blimey, this is nice. Oh wow, this is wicked. Oh, the microphone comes off, that's inside. Got on the cover with it as well, that's good. All your touch screens and all that, the monitoring is on there as well. That's not too bad as well. Oh, this is wicked. Okay, so we've got that as well, that's your main bit. What else you get with? Got a little component on there, gold component, probably to hold it in steady. Take the box out. We've got health and safety instructions, which is always handy. Limited warranty, and I'm guessing headphones and earphones company, where the company are at. And also you've got a little component here. Push these guys here. So you've got a USB port, and this, I guess this is DOR. No, it's another one. I've got two I think, two USB ports. Yeah, it is two USB. So I've got a USB, I think it's USB-C. What's this one? Okay, so this is a USB-C, and I think this is a USB-A. So I'll read through this, guys. I'll tell you what's in it and everything, and I'll give you like a sound demonstration as well. So yeah, let's get this baby set up and give it for a test run. Okay, guys. So I've set it up. I gave it 24 hours, and the reason being I gave it 24 hours is because I wanted to get, I wanted to muck around with it with a little bit, see what how it is for like the volume and how good the clarity is for my voice and so forth. So yeah, the first things first, quick guide. Read the quick guide, and like I said, but cardboard. Download the app. Yes, 100% download the app. You're gonna need it. Right, so I'll get to the app now and I will show you. Right, so this is the Share Plus Motive setup app. You need this, and the reason being is to set up different types of how well you want your mic to set up. So once you've downloaded it, which will be on the Shure.com website, just read it on there and then we'll go straight into it. It's a pretty simple setup. If you've got a Mac, Apple, download. If you've got an Android, Windows, download. So when you download it, it will send you to here. Now, as you can see, you've got auto volume and manual. So I'm going to go through the auto level first. On it, you've got mic mute. So we all know what mic mute is. You click it, it mutes your mic. That's it. Simple as that. That's as simple as it gets. When you've got monitor mix. Monitor mix is on the back of the mic, which I showed you in the unboxing. It's a headphone jack. So you stick it in there, and you're listening to a video, you're playing a game or streaming or whatever. You can muck around with this, and then you can have on there. You can have your gameplay more louder than your mic, or go back to your mic. You can have your mic more louder than the gameplay itself. Down is near and far. So my stand set at the back of the monitor, as you can see. On there, I don't know how far you can have it back. I don't know how many meters or centimeters, whatever. I don't know how far you can have it back to have it near or far. But hopefully the sound might be different. So that's near, that's far. That's near, that's far. So I have mine on near. And then you have your tone down the bottom. The tone is pretty good. So on a, let's say, stereo, or let's say a DJ mixer desk, you get the mid, treble, or bass. Bass, mid, or treble. So it's a bit like that. So dark, if you have it on dark, it's basically the deep of my voice. You can hear it more. It's like more bassy than the actual clear of my voice. Natural, everything's all like in the middle, mid, treble, and bass sort of thing. And bright is like the bass is turned off, and it's like the more of my voice is on there than the deepness of my voice. But I have mine on natural. So, and if you go back up the top, you've got manual. So manual is the same. Mic mute, on or off. Mic gain. So the mic gain, I have mine on. But like at the highest. But if you don't, I can show you like the difference, like the different decibels are. So 25.5, 27, 28.5, 30, 31.5, 33, 34.5, 36 decibels. So you can hear as it goes along, it will just change and change and change. But mine's up highest. The monitor mix, you already know. Put that in the middle, you can hear sound of your gaming or your video, whatever that you're doing there. Or you can go straight onto mic, which I do is on mic. Equalizer, and this is new. So the equalizer is basically anything in the background. So flat is normal, as you can hear. High pass is basically if anything in the background is loud, or anything here is like tickering or anything, it will try and get rid of that sound there. Boost is more boost on us than it is at the back of the sounds, so it only hit, like, it tries its best to hear us than anything else, and that's both of them. Mine's on flat because I do mine at night and there's nothing really on, you can really hear nothing or anything, so I'm pretty good. Compressor, I think it's the compressor is, I think it's the same thing. So you put on the light, my voice is lighter, less bass and so forth in my voice. Medium is, I think it's, yeah, just as normal as I'm talking now. Heavy is like more deeper and louder. So yeah, that's it really. That's it. I've got to muck around and everything still, but I'll give you an update on the mic itself more. Me personally, right now, I'm loving it. I've played a few games. I'm loving it. I've recorded myself back, even through the editing tool of Vegas Pro. I've got Vegas Pro and Sony Movie Studio. Fine. I didn't have to muck around with the, make my voice louder than it does with the video itself. At the moment, I'm loving it. Is it worth the money? Yes. There's no default with it, because you have to muck around with it to know how well you want it. Definitely worth the money. Me, at the moment, I would recommend. I've had no problems, you know, like I said, 24 hours, no problems. I've mucked around with every single button on that app, and I actually enjoy it. I found the perfect way to go, and yeah, that's it really. I've liked every moment of it. So this is it, the MV7 podcast microphone. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. And in about 3 months, 4 months time, I will do an update to tell you how well this is going. So thank you guys for watching. I don't know when I'll do an unboxing, because I'm always doing gaming or watching reactions and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.